The United States military has always sought to innovate and maintain its technological edge. In the realm of aerial warfare, a new breed of unmanned aircraft has emerged, promising to redefine the battle space. Among these cutting-edge marvels is the X-47B, an unmanned combat air system developed by Northrop Grumman. This tailless, jet-powered drone represents a significant leap forward in aviation technology, boasting advanced stealth capabilities and a high degree of autonomy. The X-47B is not merely a remote-controlled aircraft. It is a sophisticated, intelligent machine designed to operate with minimal human intervention. This groundbreaking capability sets it apart from its predecessors, heralding a new era of unmanned warfare. Its ability to perform dangerous missions, penetrate heavily defended airspace, and execute complex maneuvers autonomously makes it a game-changer in modern military strategy. The X-47B program has faced its share of challenges, including initial cancellation due to budgetary constraints and shifting priorities. However, the program was revived due to its immense potential and the growing recognition of unmanned systems in modern warfare. This essay will delve into the development, capabilities, and strategic implications of the X-47B, exploring its place in the future of aerial warfare. The path to fielding the X-47B was not without its bumps. The program, initiated in the early 2000s, faced early skepticism and budgetary pressures. The idea of an unmanned aircraft capable of operating from an aircraft carrier, striking targets with precision, and returning to base without human intervention seemed almost like science fiction. This initial skepticism, coupled with the financial demands of the ongoing wars in Iraq and Afghanistan, led to the program's cancellation in 2006. However, the need for advanced unmanned systems with greater autonomy and survivability in contested airspace soon became apparent. The cancellation of the X-47B program proved to be short-lived. The Department of Defense, recognizing the strategic importance of unmanned carrier-based aircraft, revived the program in 2007. The resurgence of the X-47B program highlighted a shift in military thinking, acknowledging the growing significance of unmanned systems in maintaining a technological edge over adversaries. This renewed support paved the way for the development and testing of the X-47B demonstrator, culminating in successful carrier-based launches and recoveries, showcasing its revolutionary potential to the world. The X-47B's journey from cancellation to resurrection underscores its significance in shaping the future of naval aviation. The X-47B, with its sleek, futuristic design, is a testament to years of research and development. It's important to understand that this technological marvel didn't appear overnight. The X-47B's story began with its predecessor, the X-47A Pegasus. This earlier iteration, while less sophisticated, laid the groundwork for the X-47B's development. The X-47A, also developed by Northrop Grumman, was a smaller, subscale demonstrator intended to explore the viability of unmanned carrier-based operations. This pioneering aircraft successfully demonstrated the ability to take off and land from an aircraft carrier, a feat previously thought impossible for an unmanned aircraft. Building upon the X-47A's successes, the X-47B emerged as a more advanced and capable successor. The X-47B incorporated lessons learned from the X-47A program, featuring a larger size, increased range, greater payload capacity, and enhanced stealth capabilities. This iterative development process highlights the importance of continuous innovation and refinement in pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering. The X-47B's lineage from the X-47A showcases the evolution of unmanned technology, demonstrating how each iteration builds upon the successes and lessons of its predecessors. This relentless pursuit of progress has culminated in the X-47B, a revolutionary aircraft poised to transform the landscape of aerial warfare. The X-47B, a silent hunter. The X-47B is not just an upgrade, but a technological leap forward. It combines stealth technology, autonomous navigation, and the ability to carry a significant payload of weapons. This makes it a versatile and powerful tool for various missions. The X-47B's stealth capabilities are particularly noteworthy. Its tailless batwing design, coupled with the use of radar-absorbent materials, significantly reduces its radar cross-section. This makes it incredibly difficult for enemy radars to detect, allowing it to penetrate heavily defended airspace with a much lower risk of being shot down. Beyond its stealth, the X-47B's autonomous flight capability is truly revolutionary. While remotely supervised by a human operator, the X-47B can perform many of its missions autonomously. This includes taking off and landing from an aircraft carrier, navigating to target areas, and even conducting aerial refueling, all without direct human control. The X-47B can carry a variety of precision-guided munitions in its internal weapons bays. This internal carriage further enhances its stealth by eliminating the need for external hardpoints that could compromise its radar signature. The combination of stealth, autonomy, and precision strike capabilities makes the X-47B a formidable force multiplier in modern warfare. Stealth comparison: X-47B versus B-2 Spirit. To understand the X-47B's significance, we can compare it to the B-2 Spirit, a long-range strategic bomber known for its stealth capabilities. Both aircraft are designed to evade enemy radar, but their approaches differ, reflecting their distinct roles and missions. The B-2 Spirit, with its massive size and flying wing design, relies on a combination of its unique shape, radar-absorbent materials, and specialized coatings to minimize its radar signature. Its stealth technology allows it to penetrate deep into enemy territory, striking heavily defended targets with a reduced risk of detection. The X-47B, while significantly smaller than the B-2, takes stealth to another level. Its compact size, blended wing body design, and internal weapons bays further minimize its radar cross-section. This makes it even more difficult to detect than the B-2, especially by modern sophisticated radar systems. While both aircraft excel in stealth, the comparison highlights their different purposes. The B-2, as a strategic bomber, is designed for long-range missions, penetrating enemy airspace to deliver massive firepower. The X-47B, with its smaller size and greater agility, is better suited for tactical missions, providing more flexible and responsive strike capabilities in contested environments.